Sikhala's Chitungwiza home, bombed ahead of biography launch in South Africa. The 30th of August 2025. By a correspondent, Chitungwiza, the home of Zimbabwean opposition leader Job Sikhala, was bombed last night in Chitungwiza, in a chilling attack that comes just hours before the launch of his long-awaited biography in Johannesburg, South Africa. Sikhala, who spent 2 years in prison without conviction and has been arrested 68 times by the ZANU-PF government without a single guilty verdict, remains one of the country's most persecuted opposition figures. His biography, Footprints in the Chains, the life story of Job Sikhala, was due to be launched in Zimbabwe's Masvingo town earlier this year. But the event was violently disrupted by alleged ZANU-PF activists. Video footage captured the incident, yet no arrests were ever made. The bombing in Chitungwiza mirrors a familiar pattern in Zimbabwe's political landscape, where opponents of the regime and independent voices have frequently been targeted. The Daily News newspaper's printing press was infamously bombed years ago in an operation reportedly carried out by state security agents working alongside elements of the military. No one was held accountable, although no injuries were reported in last night's attack. Property at Sikhala's home was extensively damaged. Analysts view the assault as an attempt to intimidate him, given his fierce opposition to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's proposed 2030 term extension and his outspoken criticism of corruption and repression. Quite clearly, the regime fears Sikhala's words more than it fears bombs. But truth is the one weapon they will not silence, one supporter remarked. Despite the attack, Sikhala is set to proceed with the official launch of his biography today at 1330 HRS at the African Center for Governance, 17 Diagonal Street, Old Johannesburg Stock Exchange Building, opposite the Star newspaper's headquarters in central Johannesburg. Mozambican opposition leader Venancio Mondlane will attend as guest of honor.